So, let us get back to controller and let us talk about state feedback pole placement controller. Your system is yk, sorry, oops, xk plus 1 uk equal to minus lxk. Okay. Did I put? I think I, sorry, I might have put. Okay, yeah, I remembered right. Sorry, this should have been negative lxk. Actually, it does not matter, but we just want to stick to the notations. Okay. Together, we will have and I think pole placement is quite obvious over here. Exactly what we had earlier. Okay. Just added that caveat that you can only place the poles for the controllable modes, right. If your WC in your quiz, right, it was a 2 by 2 system, but only one element was controllable, the 1 minus 2 direction was controllable. If only 1 minus 2 direction is controllable, only one eigenvalue can be brought to the 0. You cannot do anything with the other eigenvalue. That is what loss of controllability means. Okay. When you can't do anything with the other eigenvalue, quite simply that means that particular part is uncontrollable, which is exactly how the Hautus condition works. A minus lambda I, for that particular lambda, you would lose the controllability. If A minus lambda I B has full rank, that means you bring back that controllability through B, okay, which is also to say that the column vectors of B, okay, they will span the subspace that is the null space of A minus lambda I. If that happens, you will retrieve back the full order. Okay, that is how the Hautus condition works. Okay. If you did not understand that, that is perfectly fine. You cannot do anything about eigenvalues of A minus BL if that particular directions are uncontrollable. If everything is controllable, you can place all the poles the way you want. Okay. That brings us to the end of today's lecture. Tomorrow we will talk about LQR. Okay. That would finish basically all that you need for your assignment. After that we will talk about LQG and basically show that LQG happens to be LQR plus Kalman filter. Okay. That is what we are going to do for rest of this module, which will finish this week itself. Okay. Alright guys, see you tomorrow.